Hey
Hey
everyone.
guys. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be actually my husband is going to be setting up our new storage rack that we have gotten for our Green May containers. We actually got this at Costco for what was it, $25?
$25 on sale right
Yeah,
now.
$25 on sale right now. So you guys better go grab yours if you need some little storage containers. Obviously, never. Also, never mind the racks. If you see lots of storage racks in the background, obviously we're have a lot of those.
Okay, we're gonna start building now.
Okay, so we are getting ready to start a spring garden, and this is our first time actually ever doing this. I mean, we've had I guess, some vegetable plants in the past, but it didn't go too well. So we're gonna try our hand at it again, if you want to say. So, so these are some of the seeds that we actually got. Now, some of these I'm not sure we're gonna actually plant or not, but we did get some. What is this? Tomato cherry. No, tomato bush cherry patio choice yellow cherry tomatoes. And we got these from Botanical Interest. Yeah. So we got some of those, which I'm really excited to plant some of those. Of course, we really love tomatoes in here. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we try to grow a whole bunch of tomatoes at some point in our lifetime. And we also got the tomato bush Ace 55. You can see that right here. We got those tomatoes, and we got peppers, sweet California Wonder, and we got that. That's also the Botanical Interest seeds. So we never tried this brand of seeds actually. I heard that they was pretty decently good, so we're gonna go ahead and give them a try. If you hear our dog barking, that's our puppy in the background, Cloud. He's playing with his toys and he's barking. Our other baby is Copper. She's sleeping. That's our older girl. And we also have basil, which I'm excited to plant that. I'm just excited to plant everything though. Some parsley. We got dill. We got some mint. Some spinach. We got salad bowl. Salad bowl lettuce blend. Obviously, we'd like to try some of that. We do have some cilantro. So, yeah. Oh, and these homemade pickling cucumbers, which I would love to try my hand on that because I would really love to make some pickles. And now these radishes, I'm not for certain if we will try these or not. We actually got these for free. They came with our purchase when we got a green stalk, actually. But we may try them because we are open to trying lots of other types of seeds. We're in zone 9B, I believe. So anyway, also, I got this new ball book, this home preserving book. This book I have read a little bit, looked over, and I've already seen some recipes in here that I would really, really like to try. So I might try to do some of that as well. Cloud, please. He's a very loud, he's a very, very loud puppy boy. That's our boy. But I'm just kind of chilling while my husband is building our storage rack. We want to actually make our own soil. And he's just building. Of course, I'm not that handy when it comes to building some things.
The shelf is actually really simple. Just got 4-foot pegs, slide them right in, and we're gonna have our 4 bars, and each will go in each hole, and we'll continue to stack shelves and new bars with each shelf.
Yeah, whatever he said. Okay, so yeah, the plan is to put that outside on our balcony actually. So I'm hoping that it does good outside. I assume it does. I know the Green made storage containers. I believe what are those? 8 gallon? Yeah.
27 gallon.
Oh, I said 8 gallons. 27 gallons, my fault. But yeah, I know those can go out. They're indoor, outdoor. So I'm going to assume that the storage rack that we got from Costco is outdoor as well. So, but that's where we're going to put some of our gardening soils and things like that because we'd rather keep that outside. So I'm hoping that that all goes well. But if you guys have any tips and types of things that you like to do in your garden to maybe help have a more successful garden, let us know. Like I said, this is kind of totally pretty much maybe our second time trying our hand and look at this. So, but we're very excited to start this, and we're hoping that you come along for the journey. I'm sure glad that he's good at this because, yeah, I don't think it'd be getting built with me. No, I don't know. I probably could build this, honestly. But
She thinks.
why why do it when my husband, this is his type of thing. He likes to do this type of stuff. Oh, yeah, this is coming together with ease. You need me to help you? Here, I can help you. Seems sturdy.
That's our help, y'all.
I know you didn't.
Couple of good pats and it's sealed.
Now, you know I can do more than that now. Don't even play. See? Do you have to twist it? Oh. I see.
Straight in.
I got it. Look at that. Now what? Told you it wasn't hard. What do you do with these?
Those aren't until the end. Those are dust caps.
Oh, okay. And this shelf is gonna be taller than me. Oh, there's just falling everywhere, but here. There we go. Well, here. You got this. Honestly, I don't even know.
Yep, this is the final piece.
See, that was pretty quick. What did that take, like
I think
10 minutes?
Yeah.
If that, it wasn't even 10 minutes.
I think it probably takes about less than 10
Well,
minutes.
when you got a super builder husband here, it takes one. It only takes that long, but hey.
Look at that. And our dust caps.
So yeah, that wasn't very bad of a build, honestly. Anybody could probably do that one, just about. And remember, we got this on sale at Costco, about $25.
Look at that, not a bad deal, right?
No, it's not. So we're gonna actually set this outside. Yeah, we're just putting this on our balcony. It's perfectly right there. Yeah, that's right. We're going to patio balcony garden. And of course, I'm not sure you can see him. That's our puppy. That's Copper. Say hello, Copper. Say hello, Cloud. Yeah, he's rambunctious. Typical puppy. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just set our Green made containers on here that we got, and that's pretty much it.